There were too many opponents to a coalition government between the ANC and the DA. They did not want to end up as bedfellows, but to create a broad tent where you invite whoever is willing to join the ANC as the still biggest political party in a government of national unity was welcomed by the ANC. What remains to be seen is how the horse trading, which also includes a couple of smaller parties willing to join this government of national unity, results in the appointment of ministers and deputy ministers, and how the parliamentary committees are filled, who has which influence when it comes to heading those parliamentary committees. This construction now is called a government of national unity, and reference is made to the first government which was created after the democratic elections in 1994. Now, 2024 is not 1994. That government of national unity then was necessary for a relative stability politically in a transition and transformation towards anchoring democracy in the country. It worked very well. Now we have a government of national unity which markedly shifts the socio-economic and political agenda of the ANC towards a society which includes white neoliberal elements interested in political and economic stability, which in the eyes of quite a number of voters is perceived as a sellout. Just to remember, EFF and MK together got 1/4 of the votes. This quarter definitely is not in support of such a government. So the most important challenge is delivery. If this government manages to deliver in terms of anti-corruption policy, economic growth, service delivery, security, reduction of crime, then it stands a good chance that parts of those voters who were in support of EFF and MK, if only because their material situation changes to the better, are willing to reposition themselves. And I think this is the biggest challenge and the main question observers and South Africans and that new government are facing at the moment. Will it work?